In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Blender's Radial gradient node to create this material in 3 minutes. Let's create a torus. Ctrl 3 to subdivide, and right-click to shade smooth. Let's create a gradient texture node, and a texture coordinate node. To make a distinctive pattern we're looking for, we need to have another node added. The gradient gets cut off like this, unless we add another node between the gradient node and the BSDF node. We could do this by using the color ramp node like this, but it won't be as precise and accurate as the next method I'll be showing you. We'll need to add more colors to create a pattern. Something like this. As we can see, this method does create a pattern, but it's very difficult and time-consuming to create a material like this. The next method is accurate, and only takes seconds to create the same material. The checker texture will create the most accurately divided radial pattern that we can use. Here are the full nodes. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.